Tired of breakouts and dull skin? I tried this 10 detox waters for 30 days and my skin has never looked so clear. Want in all my secrets? Let's glow up together. Hey guys, welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio. I'm Likita and I turn everyday ingredients into magic. Today I'm sharing 10 easy, delicious, fulfilling detox water recipes that help me achieve glowing, clear skin without any expensive products and extra makeup. Grab your bottles, let's get hydrated and beautiful from inside out. Well, detox waters are simple, refreshing beverages infused with fruits, vegetables, and herbs. They are an easy, delicious way to hydrate your body, flush out the toxins, and support your skin and body with a natural radiance from within out. No expensive products are required, or you do not need any extra makeup. So, detox waters are natural ingredients packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from fresh produce. It keeps you deep hydrated, encourages increased water intake for overall health and skin elasticity. It supports your body's natural cleansing process, leading to a clearer skin, a gentle detox for your complete body. Let's get started with our list by looking into the daily glow up morning refreshers. That is our cucumber mint glow water and lemon ginger anti acne water. For cucumber mint glow water, we require just one sliced cucumber and 10 mint leaves. Add cucumber and mint leaves to 1 liter of water and chill it for 2 hours or as per your requirement. You can also use ice cubes optionally. Cucumber hydrates and soothes. Mint will calm your inflammation and refreshes you overall, perfect for morning hydration. Lemon ginger anti acne water. We just need one lemon sliced and 1 inch of ginger grated, or you can slice the ginger as well. Add the mix of lemon and ginger into 1 liter of water and infuse them for 3 to 4 hours. You can add honey as optional. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It brightens your skin. Ginger fights acne bacteria. Sip with a straw to protect your teeth. For the boost of your midday, we can look into these two antioxidant powers, that is green tea and watermelon basil hydration. For this green tea antioxidant water, you need two green tea bags, or you can have the powder of green tea as well, and one sliced lime and few leaves of mint. Cold brew tea in water for 6 hours and add lime and mint into that and allow it to settle for 1 or 2 hours. Green tea is antioxidant that fights the free radical formation and gives you youthful and clear skin. Watermelon basil hydration. For this, you need 2 cups of watermelon, sliced or cubed, basil leaves, pinch of pink salt or rock salt. Slightly smash watermelon, add basil leaves, watermelon, and pinch of rock salt into 1 liter of water and infuse it for 2 hours. Watermelon hydrates, basil is antibacterial, and salt boosts minerals. So you're all are ready to boost your antioxidants. Next up, we have evening exiles for detox and repair. That's our apple cinnamon detox and berry rosemary beauty water. For apple cinnamon detox, you need one sliced apple, one cinnamon stick, or you can take the powder of cinnamon as well, and then add water, refrigerate overnight. and you're all ready to enjoy your apple cinnamon detox. Apple detoxifies and cinnamon boost your blood flow for a natural glow. Next, let's look into berry rosemary beauty water. For this, we need half cup of mixed berries. You can take the berries of your choice, rosemary, and 1 liter of water. Slightly crush berries, add little rosemary, and infuse them for 4 hours. And you're all ready to enjoy your flavorful berry rosemary beauty water. Why berries? Because berries are antioxidants. They give you a great glow. Rosemary is anti-aging, so it's a way of enjoying yummy beauty. Let's start our specialty blends, especially targeted for skincare. First up, we have pineapple turmeric glow. Pineapple repairs your skin while turmeric brightens and calms your inflammation, blended for maximum potency. For this, we need 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half teaspoon of turmeric, pinch of black pepper, and 1 liter of water. Blend pineapple, strain, and add turmeric and pepper. Mix with water and allow it to settle for 2 hours. You're all set to go and enjoy your pineapple turmeric glow. Next up, we have pomegranate rose anti-aging water. Pomegranate boosts your collagen production, and rose water smooths and refreshes you. A luxurious blend for anti-aging benefits. For this, you need half cup of pomegranate seeds, 2 to 3 dried rose petals, or you can also take the food upgrade rose petal powder, 1 teaspoon of rose water, and 1 liter of water. Gently melt seeds, add rose petals and rose water, infuse all the ingredients for 3 hours, and you're all set to enjoy your pomegranate rose anti-aging water. Orange keratin beta carotene boost and aloe vera cucumber healing water are next in our list. Orange is rich in vitamin C, carrot are rich in vitamin A. Together, they promote an even skin tone and healthy complexion. To prepare your orange carrot beta carotene boost, we need 1 orange sliced, 1 carrot sliced or grated, and 1 liter of water. Add all the ingredients into water and infuse them for 6 hours. Additionally, you can add 2 to 3 leaves of mint or honey, optional, that's all as per your requirements. And next up, aloe vera cucumber healing water. We need 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, or you can use the direct aloe vera that is grated from the cutted aloe vera, and half cucumber sliced, and a pinch of salt, pepper, and mint. In 1 liter of water, blend aloe with a little water and add cucumber and mint. Top up with black pepper and salt and allow it to stand for at least 2 hours. And you're all set to enjoy your aloe vera soothing water. Aloe soothes and heals your skin. Cucumber cools and hydrates. It's a great water or it's a great option for your mornings if you have a irritated skin, ideal for troubled or sensitive skins as well. Consistent practice of having these detox water for 30 days, you can witness incredible changes in your skin, which even I have experienced. Skin felt deeply hydrated and supple, a noticeable difference in overall moisture of my skin. Fewer breakouts and reduced redness, and my skin was visibly clearer. My complexion became brighter and more radiant with a natural, healthy glow. And finally, I achieved a clear, even toned skin that felt healthy and vibrant from within. This journey proved that true beauty starts with nourishing your body from inside out. To maximize your results, aim to drink 2 to 3 glass of detox water daily for optimal hydration and skin benefits. Remember, consistency is your key. Always use fresh filtered water and organic ingredients where possible to ensure purity and taste. Prepare and store your detox water in glass bottles and avoid storing for more than 24 hours to maintain the freshness. Never use plastic or any other contents which can be soluble into your water if you keep it or infuse for a longer time. Resist the urge to add sugar or artificial sweeteners. The natural sweetness of fruits is all you need, and your body is just enough with that. Going a step extra, you can prepare a quick infusions like prepping your favorite fruits and freeze them in ice cube trays. Pop them into your water bottle for an instant chilled detox drink. And to give a mineral boost, add a tiny pinch of Himalayan pink salt or a rock salt to your water, and this helps with electrolyte balance and improves your water absorption for deeper hydration. Rotate throughout different recipes to keep things funny and prevent flavor fatigue. These are endless combinations to explore. Ready to start your clear skin journey? Pick your first recipe and try it today. And also let me know which was your favorite detox water from the list which I shared with you today. I would love to know your experience and results. Did you enjoy today's video? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Likita's Foodie Studio and share this video with your close friends and circle who want to have a glowing skin all from the comfort of your kitchen. For more health hacks, hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe or any health and wellness content. I will see you all soon. Thank you so much.